Hello, my name is Lamin. This is my first JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, it's going to be a very short tutorial because I just want to tell you that if you're having a problem with your JavaScript, don't worry anymore because I'm going to help you from the start until the end. So, actually, JavaScript is a script made for web pages. So if you see all the interactions on web pages, it's all because of thanks to JavaScript. And thanks to Mozilla who have created the JavaScript in 1970, if I can recall. Sorry, Java was created in 1970. 70? Yeah, I remember. Okay. So yeah. Um. So the thing is, the only thing I want to say before I do this is I'm actually using Mozilla to do this coding, and I'll use Node.js also to use it. So if you don't know how to have this thing here, what you just have to do is go to Mozilla, download Firebug. Okay, download this. Let me write on capital so you can see it. Download this in your Mozilla, and then when it's installed, you will see something here. So whenever you clicked on it, it's off. When you click on it, it's on. So you can start doing your programming. So this one is called node.js. This is for actually JavaScript. It helps you um, it helps you write your code in, and programmers much more use this one intensively than that one, because this one, after doing it, you can actually save your program and everything, while this one you actually need to copy your code and put it in a text file. So first of all, I'll first do the hello world on JavaScript and show you how it works. So first thing, we just want to put something on the screen. So we want to put something on the screen. So we are going to use two methods. First, we're going to use the alot method, and first we're going to use the console.log method. So if you remember on Java, let me just zoom this out. If you remember on Java, this means comment, all right? Um, this means more than one comment. So if you can remember. So if you remember on Java, print line, this was the way to print out something on Java. So while JavaScript to print out something, we use this. So this is the way to print out something on Java, if that makes sense to you. So I just want to clarify something out to people. People think that Java and JavaScript are very, very, very similar. Well, you're a bit wrong, because Java and JavaScript are different. C and JavaScript are much more closer to each other, if that makes sense to you. Okay, so our first coding will be, I am expecting that you know what a variable is. Okay, and if you are from C, then you will get more familiar with something called var. If you're not from C, you're from Java, you'll be familiar with something called int, you'll be familiar with something called string, you're familiar with something called float, double, etc, etc, etc. So in Java, the nice thing about Java is when you say var, it automatically wait for you to put anything you put, it takes it from there. Meaning, if I say number and 12, so it automatically knows that it's an integer. I don't have to write int to make it towards an integer. If I say var string, okay, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't even highlight. But if I say var name, I give the variable as a name, and I can use one, whether one quotation mark or two, and say Lamin. Okay, it automatically knows that it's a string. So what you can do here is you can, to print this out, okay, let's just make it more appropriate. That's just an explanation. I just say var first JS, first JavaScript, and I say equals to hello world, and it's not finished. I will say a new line, welcome to the world of JavaScript. Okay, and I close that. So if I want to print this out, that is our first hello world. You remember I said there is how to print. I say console dot tar, and I say first JS. The reason why I'm a bit fast here, because I'm expecting that you already know a bit about programming. Okay, so if I want to run that, I just click on run, and you will see that it actually gives us everything. Hello world, welcome to the world of JavaScript. So this is your first programming. Hey, you've done it, mate. Your first JavaScript programming. The next tutorial, I will help you I'll explain more about the variables, and I will introduce something called if statements. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, and comment whenever you want. Thank you.